Today, we go over the cold planer model CP24. We offer cold planers in 4 different working widths: 18, 24, 36, and 48 inches. The model CP24 shown here has 60 carbide tip teeth and weighs in at 1,750 pounds. Our cold planers are designed to cut through concrete and asphalt up to 6 inches in depth. There's a skid shoe on either end of the cutting drum that is controlled independently. The reason we do that is because when you make parallel cuts on a road surface, you need one skid shoe to be higher than the other. This tool is ideally suited for smaller jobs, such as water main repair, where a skid steer is more convenient to use than a larger milling machine. The skid shoes are made from 5/8 inch plate steel and have bolt-on replaceable skid shoes on the bottom. All 4 hydraulic functions are conveniently controlled by the valve block, located here on the left side of the frame. This valve block is controlled from the cab with an electronic harness. The main frame consists of 2 3-inch squared tubes that run the full width of the frame. We have 1/2-inch plate steel welded to the top and bottom tubes that creates a rail system for the cutting head to ride on. The joint between the cutting head and frame is protected by wear-resistant plastic, which is replaceable. The cutting wheel is powered by a high-efficiency direct-drive piston motor. This piston motor can handle flow rates from 25 to 45 gallons per minute and pressures up to 6,525 psi. There's a skid shoe position gauge conveniently located on the top center of the cutting head, where the operator can see it easily. The skid shoes are mounted to the cutting head in such a way that allows them to sit flat on the surface, regardless of the cutting head orientation. This gives the best stability over a wide range of surfaces. A legacy of excellence since 1948. Visit our website and find a dealer near you.